smart on telling anything.
You're so smart.
Hatchimals Hatchibabies. So today we gotta open Hatchimals Hatchibabies.
Yeah? Are you excited?
Yes, it's gotta crack all by itself.
It's gonna crack all by itself?
Yes, when I watched my iPad, it cracked all by itself.
Oh, you saw a video on it?
Yes.
Oh.
Can we open it now?
Sure, go ahead. Ooh.
It's big because you can see it in the video. You want to see the back?
Sure. Ooh. Let me see the front again. Which one do you want to get?
This one.
Oh, okay. Let's see if you get that one.
But it don't have a unicorn.
No, Hatchimals they don't have unicorns, do they?
Yes. So can we open it now?
Sure, go ahead.
So it's gotta crackle by itself.
Ooh. Hold the bottom of the egg like this. Hold it like this. Yeah. Now, pat the bottom. Ooh.
It's not cracking.
No, you have to wait.
Can I put it down so it can crack?
Put it like this. Put it like this and rock it. Oh, what does he say? He's going to sleep. Now go like this, look. No, hold it like this. Now put it on the table. Tap on it. Go like this. Oh, 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 where's it going? Where's it going?
You can't. You can't go. It's jiggling. It's not cracking. Can I open it? It cracked. It cracked. Can I open it?
Let me see, I'm gonna help you.
No, I don't need help.
Ooh, that's the one you wanted, wasn't it?
Yes.
Aww. Gonna sleep?
I'm trying to make her sleep.
Is there something in here? Oh, there is stuff in there.
Come on, you.
What is that?
A
flower?
Yeah.
Show it here. Nice. What else is in there?
A baby bottle.
Oh.
Open your mouth.
Okay. Aggressive.
Open your mouth.
Ooh, what else is in there?
Mommy, can you let her open her mouth and eat her bottle?
Check what else is in there first.
Come on. Banana.
Nice. What else is in there? Is that it?
Aww, he's so cute, so adorable.
Oh, that is cute.
Oh, that's hers. That's not hers here. Here we
Let
go.
me see. What else do you have there? That's it?
Yes.
What's that? Ooh, a brush. So you can brush her hair.
What? That's not mine. That's hers.
Yeah, that's what it says. So you can brush her hair. Nice.
Let's take her bow off and we can brush her hair. I think it was hers. That's not hers.
No. You feeding her? Aww.
She's a baby, and she's a baby too. But she's big and she's little. She's a mama.
No, she's a big baby. The other one's a little baby.
Okay.
You like it?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Is she hungry?
I don't think so. You just fed her.
I'm hungry. This is all the today's video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.